isomers. Now, next metamers. Metamers. Here, which are called as metamers? Which are called as metamers? Okay. In this case, compounds are having same molecular formula. Here, molecular formula same, and function group same. Molecular formula same, function group same, but here alkyl groups are different on the same function group. Alkyl groups are different. Alkyl groups are different. Alkyl groups are different. Same molecular formula, same function group same, molecular formula same, but on same function group, alkyl groups are different. Different alkyl groups are there. Different alkyl groups are there. Then the isomers are called as metamers. Different alkyl. Okay, na? Here majorly ether group, keto group, ester group, secondary amine. So these exhibit ether, ketone, ester, secondary amines. So these exhibit metamerism. Metamerism. Example, here we'll take ethers. Okay, na? Ether. Example, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Nana. What is the function group here? Ether, O. What are the alkyl? You see this side, ethyl group. This is ethyl. This is alkyl group. We are saying ethyl, na? Those groups are alkyl groups. Next example, here CH3, O, CH2, CH2, CH3 is there. Now you see both cases. What is the function group? Ether. But here what is there here? Methyl function, methyl alkyl group. Here propyl alkyl. And here ethyl. This is also ethyl. Here ethyl, here both are ethyl. But you see here both ethyl become, what is the nana? Methyl propyl. From first one compound to second compound, what happened? Alkyl group changed or not? Alkyl group changed or not? Yes. Diethyl become methyl propyl. R group changes nana from first compound to second. In first compound, what are the alkyl group? Ethyl, ethyl. But in second compound, what are the alkyl group? Methyl propyl. That's why these two are considered as metamers. Similar way, one more example. Now here CH3O, CH3, now CH3. Here tell me, you see here ethyl, ethyl, but here methyl, this is isopropyl, nana. This is isopropyl group. Now methyl. So first one and you check ethyl to isopropyl, ethyl to methyl. Here ethyl, ethyl is there, first compound. In third compound, methyl isopropyl is there. Both are different. Like function group is same. Function group is same. That's why these three are called as what? Metamers. These three are called as metamers. Okay. 1, 2, 3 are metamers, Nana. But you observe again, second and third. What is the difference, Nana? Second longest chain 3 carbon. Third also longest chain 3 carbon. But here OCH3, Nana. Once again I am writing second CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3 kada. Third one CH3O, CH here, CH3 here, CH3 Nana. What is the longest chain here? 3 carbon longest chain. Here also 3 carbon longest chain. But OCH3 present on where? First carbon, OCH3 function. OCH3 prefix first presented first. Here OCH3 present where? Second. Now what is the relation between these two? Tell me, Nana. What is the relation? Chain length same, position different. Here OCH3 at first. Here OCH3 at second. That's why these two are what? 2 and 3 are position isomers. Remember, 1, 2, 3 are metamers, Nana. 1, 2, 3 are metamers. 2 and 3 are position isomers. Therefore, remember here sometime position isomers possible with metamers. Position isomers are possible with metamers, Nana. Here metamers are there, here position isomers are there, remember. Okay, na? Similar way, ether like this here, CH2O, CH2, CH3, Nana. So this is what here, benzyl group, here ethyl. Ethyl. In the next compound we can write here like CH2O, here CH3 ra. What happened? You check here function group ether. Function group is ether. But what happened here? This is a 2 carbon phenyl ethyl and here methyl. Here R groups. Here R groups are different from here R groups. First example alkyl, second example alkyls are different. That's why these two are also called as metamers. Careful ga observe cheyali meeru. Function group same. On same function group, different alkyls are there. Those are called as metamers. Metamers. Okay. Similar way, ketones are given. I am writing metamers and other possible isomers with that. Ketone, you know, C double bond O function is there, that is called a ketone, Nana. C double bond O. Your example, CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3, Nana. Here, what is the, here ethyl is the alkyl. Here also ethyl is the alkyl. Now next example we can write what? Now CH3, CH2, CH2, CO here CH3, Nana. Here keto group, here to here the function is same. In both cases function is same. In both cases function is same, keto group. But here what is the group here? propyl here methyl. Okay, here ethyl, here ethyl. Tell me, ethyl different from propyl methyl. First compound here ethyl branch, ethyl substitution, ethyl alkyl. Here in second methyl propyl branch, methyl propyl substitution with respect to keto group. Alkyl change or not? Yes, alkyl change. That's why these two are called as what? Metamers. Not only that, you check numbering, your position you check, year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. Now year 1, year 2, year 3, no, sorry. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, nana. Keto group at second carbon. Here keto group at third, keto group at second. Therefore, these two are considered as what? Position isomers also. Position. Remember, here these two are example metamers as well as position isomers. But I can write one more same CH3, CH3. Here C double bond O, CH3. Okay, na? Like in this case, what happened? Same. Here function group is keto. Function group keto. But here this is isopropyl here methyl. Here this is isopropyl here methyl nana. 3R. So 1 and 3 are what? Metamers. 1 to 3 are metamers. But 2 and 3 different what is nana? Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. Carbon chain length different here, you check. Second and third, here carbon CO keto position same, but chain length different. That's why we can write 2 and 3 are metamers and chain isomers. So means with the metamerism, sometime position possible, sometime chains possible. With the metamers, sometime position possible, sometime chain possible. Okay, so like this here, function group same, different alkyl groups are there. Those are metamers. With the metamers, sometime position possible, nana. Okay, ketones are given. Similar way, esters are there. Ester. Here CO, this function group is there, ester. Now example I am taking here, CH3, CH2, CO, O here CH3. Okay. Now next example here, CH3, CO, O, CH2, CH3, nana. What is the main function group here in both cases? In both cases, what is the function here? Ester. In both cases, function is ester, nana. Function is ester. Ester. What is the difference here? Here methyl is attached to oxygen, but here ethyl is attached to oxygen. First methyl attached to oxygen here. Second, ethyl is attached to oxygen, nana. Ethyl attached to oxygen. This ethyl. R groups are different or not? Different. That's why these two are called as what? Metamers. These two are called as metamers. Okay. Similar way, CH2 here, CO, O, CH2, CH3 is there. So we can write C here, in this case CH3, COO, here CH3 Nana. What happened here? You check first function group. In this case here function group is same. Functional group different or same? Same. Function group is same. But here what is the group here? Ethyl group. What is the group here? Nana, methyl. What is the group here? Phenyl. What is the group here? Toluene. Toluene. So here phenyl ethyl is there. In second compound toluene methyl is there. In first compound phenyl and ethyl is there. But in second compound toluene methyl is there. So these two are also metamers. Here function group same, but R group different. That's why these are also metamers. Okay na? Satya Srinivas ki same 4K. Okay na? Like this metamers. Here esters, secondary amines are given. Secondary amines are there. CH3, CH2, NH, CH2, CH3 Nana. Carefully observe. Okay na? CH3, CH2, NH, CH2, CH3 Amma. Here amine secondary. Next example here CH3, CH2, CH2, NH here CH3 Nana. So here in both cases amine is a secondary amine. But what is there here? Here this is ethyl group. Here also ethyl group Nana. But in this case, what is there here? Propyl group. What is there here? Methyl group. Now you check. On first secondary amine, ethyl is there. Ethyl is there. In second compound, methyl and propyl group is there. Ethyl different from propyl methyl Nana. But function group same. But alkyl groups are different. That's why these two are also called as what here? Metamers. These two are also called as metamers Nana. Okay na? Metamers. Remember. Metamers. Okay. Like this, whenever function group same, formula same, but alkyl groups are different on function group. And given function group, alkyl groups are different. Those are called as metamers. Those are called as metamers Nana. Metamers. Okay. So that is a metamerism. Metamers means function group same, alkyl group different. Those are called as metamers. Over Nana. Right. Here. Next, tautomers. Before tautomers, I will explain one more thing. Nana, very important. Hydrogen bonding. First you observe this one, hydrogen bonding. What is the meaning of hydrogen bonding? Carefully observe. Meer confuse avvadu. Ever kuda Jagrata, very important. Hydrogen bonding. What is the meaning of hydrogen bonding? Whenever hydrogen attached to more electronegative atom, here hydrogen attached to more electronegative atom like fluorine, hydrogen attached to oxygen, hydrogen attached to nitrogen. So here oxygen electronegativity more means this acquire negative charge, here less electronegative atom, this acquire positive charge nana. Generally, here oxygen negative charge, hydrogen positive charge, nitrogen partial negative, here partial positive. Only these three hydrogens, not all. The hydrogen which is attached to oxygen or nitrogen or fluorine. These three hydrogen keep in mind. These three hydrogen keep in mind. Okay na? Now, the hydrogen, whatever partially positive charge hydrogen, and here more electronegative atom like fluorine, other fluorine, different molecule, or partially positive charge hydrogen, carefully observe, partially negative charge action of other molecule, or partially positive charge hydrogen, partially negative charge of other molecule, or partially positive charge hydrogen, partially negative charge of chlorine. Nana. So in between, once again remember, I am discussing about the hydrogen which is present on fluorine or oxygen or nitrogen. The hydrogen present on fluorine or oxygen or nitrogen. Such hydrogen attracting or electrostatic attraction present between these. Above any hydrogen, that hydrogen and here more electronegative atom. In between, what happened here? Small attraction is there, that is called as hydrogen bond. Hydrogen ki fluorine madhya kavach, or in between hydrogen oxygen also called as hydrogen bond, or hydrogen nitrogen attraction is also called as hydrogen bond, or hydrogen chlorine nana. So definition, partially positive charge hydrogen, here partially negative charge more electronegative atom like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen and chlorine are in relation, that is electrostatic attraction. Whenever in between these electrostatic attraction is there, that bond is called as hydrogen bond. Okay, like this attraction is there, that is called as hydrogen bond. Attraction is there, that is called as hydrogen bond. Okay, Nana? Right. Here once again, partially positive charge hydrogen and electronegative atom. In between those attraction is there. That attraction is called as hydrogen bond. This is not a real bond, just attraction only. Here no electron transformation, Nana. Hydrogen is not donating, fluorine is not donating. Hydrogen is not accepting fluorine. Just electrostatic attraction between hydrogen and more electronegative. That weak attraction is there. That weak attraction is called as hydrogen bond. The weak attraction is called as non-hydrogen bond. So then, just idea and hydrogen condition very important. The hydrogen also attached to fluorine, the oxygen, nitrogen only. The hydrogen attached to carbon, not involves in hydrogen bond. Hydrogen attached to sulfur, not involves hydrogen bond. Hydrogen attached to chlorine, not involves hydrogen bond. Only these three hydrogen. Remember all. Here all. Only these three hydrogens are there, then we'll expect hydrogen bond, Nana. Example, I will show in the molecule. Water. You are taking water now. Water exists in liquid state, gaseous state, solid state. The water exists in liquid and solid state due to hydrogen bond only. So you see here oxygen is there. Okay na? Oxygen. Your oxygen is there. Here hydrogen, carefully observe Nana. Here hydrogen. Now again, here one more water molecule. Again, here one more water molecule. Like this here, different molecule. Now tell me, this acquire partial positive charge. This is having partial. This is partial negative, partial negative. Everywhere same. Here hydrogen means partial positive. Oxygen partial negative Nana. Complete electrons are not transferred. That's why partial I am writing. Delta. Now what happened here? You see this molecule oxygen and this molecule hydrogen here attraction. This is called as hydrogen bond Nana. Clearly I am writing. This here molecule hydrogen, this molecule oxygen attraction. Again this molecule hydrogen, here oxygen attraction. This is called as hydrogen bond. Again this hydrogen and oxygen attraction. Again here oxygen hydrogen attraction. Here oxygen belongs to one molecule. Here oxygen belongs to one molecule. Hydrogen belongs to other. Here hydrogen belongs to one molecule. Oxygen of other molecule. Here oxygen belongs to one. Here hydrogen belongs to one. Here oxygen belongs to one. Here hydrogen belong. Like this, you check Nana. In between hydrogen and O, what is there here? Attraction. This attraction is called as hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is not a bond. No electron transformation, Nana. Simply electrostatic attraction, just weak attraction. You see, now you check around this one water molecule, how many hydrogen bond? 4. HB hydrogen bond. One water molecule involves in 4 sites. Every water molecule 4 sides. Due to hydrogen bond only here that exists in liquid state and solid state. Otherwise that could have in gaseous state. But that is in liquid and solid state. Remember Nana. Here example hydrogen bond in between molecule I am writing one molecule. Similar way one more molecule I will explain, ammonia. Why? Because these points are important for tatamers. Before that I am discussing hydrogen. For example, ammonia is there Nana. Ammonia means what happened here? NH3. Like this here, one more ammonia. Like this here, one more ammonia. Okay na? Now what is there? Here this is partial negative charge here. Partial positive. Here partial negative, here partial positive. Then tell me Nana, in between this nitrogen and here hydrogen attraction, this is called hydrogen bond. Similar way, andar vinali, jagrata vinandi. Here nitrogen, hydrogen, here attraction. In between these two here attraction, that is called as hydrogen bond. Okay na? Like this hydrogen bond. One more example, phenol. Benzene having OH group, you know. Here phenol. Similar way phenol system Nana. What happened here? This is partial negative charge here, partial positive. So in between this H and here O, here H and O attraction, that is also called as hydrogen bond. Similar way, alcohol, here alcohol is there, here alcohol nana, alcohol, 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 alcohol. Okay na? Tell me, here this is a partial negative charge here, partial positive. Now in between this hydrogen and O attraction, here O is here, hydrogen here. In between O and hydrogen attraction, this weak attraction is called as hydrogen bond. Okay na? Hydrogen bond. Similar way, amine and amine, I am taking R here NH2. Again one more amine. No. Just idea, I am writing example. What happened here? This is partial positive charge here, nitrogen, partial negative. So in between this hydrogen and nitrogen, what happened? Attraction. Any nitrogen, this side or this side, nana. Just one side I am taking. Attraction between this hydrogen and nitrogen is called as hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond, remember. Similar way, R, N, R, here H. Similar way, R, here N, H, here R. Then what happened? Here this is a partial positive charge here, partial negative. In between hydrogen and N also what happened? Attraction. Hydrogen of this molecule, nitrogen of other molecule. So hydrogen of one molecule, this is other. Then what happened? Different center. Hydrogen on one center, nitrogen on other center. Attraction, hydrogen bond. Okay na? Similar way, carboxylic acid R, CO, OH, here R, CO, OH nana is acid. What happened here? Here partial negative charge here, partial positive. Here partial negative here, partial positive. What happened? In between hydrogen and oxygen attraction, or in between oxygen and hydrogen attraction. That is also example of hydrogen bond. These all are what? Examples for hydrogen bond, nana. Hydrogen bond, the electropositive, partially positive charge, and other one partially negative charge. Then plus and minus means electrostatic attraction. That weak attraction is called as hydrogen bond. This is not original bond. Similar way, now salicylaldehyde, we discussed already. Here OH, here aldehyde group is there. What is the name? Salicylaldehyde. Now tell me, nana, here partial negative charge, here hydrogen partial. Hydrogen present and oxygen attached to carbon. Two are different. Oxygen attached to carbon, nana. Hydrogen attached to oxygen, two are different. And here also, in between hydrogen and oxygen attraction is there. That is also called as hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond, remember. Similar way, here OH2 group, here NO2 group, nana. Nitro group. Tell me, here this is partial negative charge, here this is partial positive. Now what happened? In between hydrogen oxygen attraction is there, that is called as hydrogen bond. Here hydrogen belongs to one center, oxygen belongs to nitrogen center. Hydrogen attached to oxygen, nana. Oxygen attached to nitrogen, two different center. In between these two attraction is there. That is also called as hydrogen bond. Similar way, here OH, COOH. Tell me, In this case also, what is there? Here partial negative, here partial positive. So in between these two also, what is there, Nana? Attraction. That is called as hydrogen bond. Understood? And the in example explain chesanu. Hydrogen ki more electronegative atom madhyalo unde weak attraction ni manamu hydrogen bond anali. Weak attraction emanali hydrogen bond అని చెప్పాలి. జస్ట్ ఐడియా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. దీని యొక్క అప్లికేషన్ మనకి టాటామర్స్ లో యూజ్ అవుతాయి. టాటామర్స్ లో యూజ్ అవుతాయి నాన్న. ఓకేనా? వాటర్ వాటర్ క్లోజ్ చేసి మళ్ళా ఏదో తవ్వుతున్నట్టు జనాలు బయట రోడ్డు. sound. So that is about hydrogen bond, Nana. Here, based on hydrogen bond, what is the use? We'll see. First, now Tatamer. Tatamers ante very simple. Here, exchange of hydrogen and double bond. Here, exchange of hydrogen and double bond within the same molecule. To convert this one, no external energy within the solution means for this here medium is present. The molecule may be present in acid or present in base. That is important. Medium important means within the solution your position of the hydrogen and pi bond shifted within the molecule in the solution. Within the molecule in the solution, here position of hydrogen and pi bond shifted. Position of hydrogen and pi bond shifted. Then new isomers are emerged. New isomers are formed. Those isomers are called as a tatamers. Remember, Nana. Sensitive point here. Keen observation important. Within the molecule in the solution medium, position of hydrogen pi bond shifted. Okay. Here one isomer is converted to other isomer their own. No need to give any condition. That is a tatamers. Here for this, Nana, here very important, alpha hydrogens are important. Alpha hydrogens are important. Now which are called as alpha? The hydrogen attached to alpha carbon. The hydrogen which is bonded to alpha carbon is called as alpha hydrogen. Now which is alpha carbon? Remember the carbon attached to functional group. For example, here double bond. This is the function group. This is the function group, Nana. Now whatever carbon is there, this is called as alpha. Carefully observe. Alpha. Now here whenever function group, triple bond is there, this is the function group. Now this is attached to function, that is called as alpha. Okay. Similar way, here carbon, for example, here chlorine is there. Now here chlorine attacked, this is alpha. Similar way, here OH function group attack. Here this is called as alpha carbon. I am writing very clearly which are alpha. Now whenever here like this function group, aldehyde function is there. This adjacent carbon is there. This is called as alpha. Aldehyde Similar way, now keto group is there. Ketone here, this is the function group, Nana. And here adjacent, this carbon is alpha, here alpha. Alpha. What is the meaning of alpha? I am writing, that's all. Nothing I am writing, simple. What is the meaning of alpha? We are writing. Now, whenever carboxylic acids are given, okay. Now this is called as what? Function group, Nana. Next, here adjacent, this is called as alpha. Understood? Like these function groups are there. Function group, based on function group, you can decide. Like this here, this is ester. Ester is the function group. Ester is the function group, Nana. Now, this is the alpha carbon. Ester function group. Similar way, here cyanide is there. This is the function group. Now adjacent is alpha. Here see here, Nana. NH2 attack. Here, this is the function group. Like this, whenever function group attach, such carbons are called as alpha. Such carbon, remember, number of examples I am writing, which is alpha, which is not alpha. Clear? First one, double bonded carbon. Here alpha, triple bonded, chlorine attached, OH attacked, aldehyde attached, keto attached, acid. Like that, any function attached carbon is there. The carbon directly attached to function group. The carbon attached to function group. That carbon is called as alpha, Nana. Okay, na? That carbon is called as alpha. Okay. Whatever hydrogen attached to alpha, those are called as alpha hydrogens, Nana. For tautomerism, here alpha hydrogens are very important. And what is the other thing? Pi bond important. Here alpha hydrogen important and pi bond important. Both are present. Then we can explain tautomerism. Pi bond is must, Nana, not single bond. Alpha hydrogen and pi bond both are present. Then we'll explain tautomers. Okay. Okay, na. Now I am taking example tautomerism. For example, here CH3, CH1, Nana, carefully observe. Aldehyde. Everyone should observe. Okay, Nana. In this case here, this is what function group. This is alpha carbon. Here, how many alpha hydrogens are there? How many alpha? 3 alpha hydrogens are there, Nana. So that is only I am writing clearly. C, hydrogen. Carefully observe hydrogen. Hydrogen, Nana. Here, C double bond O. Here, hydrogen, Amma. Now tell me answer. What happened? Here out of 3, this is alpha hydrogen. This is also alpha hydrogen. Here also alpha. Now this is considered as pi bond, Nana. Pi bond. What happened in this case? This pi bond is there. The pi bond shifted in between carbon and alpha carbon. Function carbon and alpha carbon, Nana. Very clear. This is shifted to in between function carbon and alpha carbon, Nana. Similarly, one of the alpha hydrogen transferred to O. Careful. Here pi bond shifted hydrogen. Answer. Now here carbon is there. What is there, Nana? Only 2 hydrogens left. 2 hydrogen here. Again, what is there here? Carbon is there, Nana. Carbon. Here, what is there? Here oxygen having O. Here hydrogen is there. Tell me. Double bond shifted na. Here this double bond shifted na. So double bond comes here. Now H shifted here. Carefully observe. H shifted here, H comes here. This is there. That's all. M change in nana here. Double bond position shifted, hydrogen shifted. Hydrogen shifted to oxygen ra. Any three out of three, any one you can shift. Out of three, any one. 3 alpha are there. 3 alpha are there. Any one you can shift. That is called as tautomer. Okay, na? Now here in between tautomer, what happened? I am writing double-headed arrow. Means both are interconvertible. Like this is called as equilibrium state. Means forward reaction and backward. Forward reaction and backward both are present. Forward and backward means first one converted second, second one converted first one. That is called as a tautomers, and both are in equilibrium state, nana. Both are in equilibrium. Okay, both are. Now here what is the function group here? C double bond O. C double bond O function is called ketone, nana. Here what is the function group? Double bond is there, OH. Double bond means what? In. OH means what, nana? All. Double bond means in, OH means all, nana. What happened? Keto function converted to enol. Ketones are converted to enol again. Enols are converted to ketone. That's why this is called as keto-enol tautomerism. Ketones are converted enol. Enols are converted ketone. Remember, keto-enol tautomerism means ketones are converted enol. But how? By shifting of one double bond and one hydrogen. Here hydrogen and double bond position shifted, nana. In first case, where is the double bond? In between carbon oxygen. But in second case, where is the double bond? In between carbon. What happened, nana? Here hydrogen present on carbon, but here hydrogen present on oxygen. Therefore here hydrogen position shifted, double bond position shifted. Whenever these are shifted, new forms are emerged, new forms are formed, new forms are developed. Those forms are called as the tautomers. Those forms are called as tautomers, nana. Tautomers. Remember. Okay. Both are at equilibrium, means both are present. But out of this one, this is a most stable. This is a keto form is a most stable. This is a unstable. Now the percent of this one is a here enol percent is a less than 1%. How much of enol is there? Very less. Both are there at equilibrium. Both are present at equilibrium. Both will present. Both. But one is more, other one is less. Which is more here? Which is more? Which one? Keto form more. Which one is less? Enol form less. Enol is less than 1%. They will ask question. Very important for NEET, advanced, mains, everything. This is very important one. Tautomers. Understood? I think all are understood the tautomer. One more example I am taking, nana. Here CH3, here CO, nana, here CH3 ra. Wow. Now tell me, in this case, what is the function group here? Here is the double bond. Now this is alpha carbon, here also alpha, nana. Once again I am writing here C. Here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here C double bond O, here C, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, nana. Total how many hydrogens? 6 alpha are there. All are equal. Anyone you can shift. Anyone you can shift, nana. Anyone you can shift. This is alpha, alpha, alpha. Carbon is alpha. Hydrogens also alpha. Now tell me, what happened here? In this case, whatever double bond, this hydrogen comes in between these two. Now whatever hydrogen is there, this hydrogen shifted this place. Here, whatever double bond is there that forms here, hydrogen shifted here. This is indicated double-headed arrow. See here what happened here? Double bond C here O, then here CH3 Nana. Okay. Here two hydrogens are there. Here hydrogen, here hydrogen. Now here hydrogen shifted. Okay. So this is shifted hydrogen. Here double bond, here pi bond shifted. So here very clear I am indicating pi bond shifting, hydrogen shifting. Okay. So like this here, this is what? Double bond in whole. Double bond is there in, OH is there whole Nana. OH is there whole. Double bond is there in, you know. That's why name enol. This is what form here? Keto form Nana. Keto form and enol form. Keto form and enol form. That's why these two are called as keto enol tautomers. Keto enol tautomers Nana. Just I am indicating how tautomers are forming. Both are tautomers. Here the enol amount is less than 1% here also. The maximum keto form only. Next example. Here cyclohexanone O here. This is alpha carbon. Here also alpha. In this case, what happened here? 4 alpha hydrogens are there. Here alpha hydrogen, here alpha. Here alpha hydrogen, here alpha. How many alpha hydrogens are there? 4 are there, Nana. 4. Then what is our answer? Double bond. Here hydrogen. Now tell me. In this case, completely this is shifted to in between these two. Here hydrogen shifted to this place. Okay, na? Double-headed arrow, equilibrium state, Nana. Double-headed arrow, equilibrium state. Now here is the double bond shifted. Here hydrogen. Here double bond. Okay, like this a double bond. Like this we can write. Here double bond, here H. Both are same, Nana. This is called as what? Enol. This is what, Nana? Keto form. Here keto form and enol form. That's why these are also keto enol tautomers. Here enol is less than 1% again. Okay, na? So like this here, ketos are converted to enol. Enols are both are enols are keto. These two are interconvertible. That is keto enol tautomerism. I think understood. Very simple. Hydrogen and pi bond shifted. Hydrogen and pi bond shifted. Which are involved in shifting hydrogen and pi bond. Both are mutually shifted. Then due to shifting of these two, here tautomers are formed, Nana. Tautomers, remember, both are interconvertible. Remember. Okay. So today we'll stop. Some more example, tautomers related example tomorrow we'll discuss, Nana. Okay, na? Everyone keep in mind here new point hydrogen bond. Here remember that is not original bond, just attraction only. Okay, na? Now for this alpha hydrogen required, I explained what is the meaning of alpha carbon, what is the meaning of alpha hydrogen, different examples also there. So okay. Okay, na? Right. So next class, maths class will continue. Tomorrow we'll see again. మీరు అందరు జాగ్రత్త ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి నాన్న ఓకేనా అమ్మా రైట్